Welcome to the first lesson of our captivating second chapter. In this video, our goal is to guide you in clearly defining your area of expertise. By identifying your passions, interests, and skill level, you'll be able to pinpoint the specific areas where you can excel and offer exceptional services. This crucial step will pave the way for your success as you align your skills with your true calling. Let's kick things off by exploring your motivations and sources of inspiration. Take a moment to reflect and jot down a wide range of topics that ignite your interest. Whether your interests lie in finance, marketing, human resources, construction, or even a unique field like pet grooming, let your ideas flow freely. Once you're done, it's time to assess your skills and abilities in the areas you've identified. To do this effectively, we recommend conducting a personal SWOT analysis. This analysis helps you identify your strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, and threats, giving you valuable insights to make informed decisions. It helps you recognize areas where you excel and areas where you can improve or learn new things. Additionally, it helps you identify potential threats, such as emerging technologies or market changes, which may require you to acquire new skills to stay competitive. By conducting a SWOT analysis, you'll gain a clearer understanding of where your skills stand and uncover opportunities for growth and development in your chosen field. Now let's dive into conducting a skills gap analysis. This process entails evaluating the skills required for the areas or business opportunities you've identified, particularly the skills that businesses need to achieve their goals. Your aim is to compare these skills with your existing skill set to identify any gaps that may exist. To guide your analysis, ask yourself 3 key questions. Where are you now, to assess your current skill level? Where do you need to be, to determine the desired skill level? And what will it take to get there, to understand the steps needed for skill development? This could involve enrolling in relevant courses, attending workshops or seminars, or seeking mentorship or coaching to enhance your capabilities. By addressing these questions, you'll gain valuable insights into the areas that require your attention and effort. This knowledge will help you bridge any gaps and improve your capabilities, positioning yourself for success in your chosen field. With enhanced skills, you'll be better prepared to meet the demands and challenges that come your way. Regardless of whether you've identified any skill gaps, making continuous skill development a priority is essential. This commitment allows you to stay ahead in your field and deliver exceptional services that demonstrate your full potential. Embrace the mindset of constant growth and improvement to thrive in your career. Now that you've successfully determined your area of expertise, there's still more work to be done. It's essential to pinpoint the specific services you'll offer by conducting target market research. In our upcoming video, we'll dive deeper into the process of identifying your services, helping you make informed decisions that align with your target market's needs and preferences. Get ready to gain valuable insights and take your business to new heights. Thank you for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video.